Welcome to this tutorial on Hungarian sentence stress. Understanding stress patterns is crucial for effective communication in any language, and Hungarian is no exception. In this video, we will explore the basic rules of Hungarian sentence stress and learn some tips on how to use stress to convey meaning more effectively as a beginner, as an intermediate, or as an advanced learner. A feel for sentence stress. Hungarian sentence stress is a complex phenomenon that involves not only the placement of stress on individual words, but also uses intonation, volume, and rhythm in creating a feel for sentence stress. My first tip. Think of the elements of sentence stress, namely pitch, volume, and rhythm, as you would think of the building blocks of music, because there is a direct link between them. If you would like to learn more about how and why language is linked to music, here is another video that explains the connection. Pitch, melody contour, and intonation. Intonation refers to the correct use of pitch and melody contour in music and in language. So how many different pitches does the Hungarian language use? As a beginner, you should know that Hungarian typically uses two different pitches, high and low. The natural melody contour in Hungarian sentences usually descends from the higher to the lower pitch. My second tip. Highlight the important parts of a sentence with a higher pitch and intonate the less important parts with a lower pitch. As an intermediate learner, you should be aware that Hungarian features more than just two pitches in speaking. In addition to the peak and the bass notes, there is a middle range of notes that you may use. As an advanced learner, you should be aware of the various pitch intervals that can appear in Hungarian speech. These pitch intervals can vary between a unison and an octave. This means either staying on the same pitch or descending even up to 8 musical notes. My third tip. Try to use more than two pitches when speaking, but avoid sounding like a little child who may use too many pitches at once. Volume. Using the appropriate volume level when emphasizing stress means that you can speak louder on the important parts of the sentence and reduce the volume on the less important ones. Tip number 4. Make sure you speak clearly and emphasize the most important words by projecting your voice so that they'll shine distinctively. Rhythm. Rhythm refers to changes in the tempo or speed of your speech. As a consequence, certain words should be spoken faster, while others should be slowed down to create a natural and expressive rhythm. Tip number 5. Always slow down when emphasizing important words in your speech, and increase your speed slightly when mentioning less important phrases. A bonus tip. You can always add a short pause when highlighting significant information. I hope you found this video informative and helpful in improving your Hungarian speaking skills. Be sure to check out the next video in this series, Hungarian Sentence Stress Part 2, for even more tips on mastering this important aspect of the language. Thank you for watching.